How to do regular maintenance on F13. During the use of the machine, we need to perform some regular maintenance to protect the machine and maintain its performance. Waste ink produced during printing is always discharged around the waste ink pad, so it's crucial to perform cleaning on this area. Along with the machine, we provide cleaning swabs. Spray water on them for cleaning. Sometimes ink may also appear on the print platform, which needs to be cleaned promptly. It is recommended to clean the platform once a week. During use, the bottom of the printhead can also accumulate some dried ink. Use a cotton swab to clean it. It is recommended to clean every 2 weeks. The encoder strip is used for the printer's x-axis positioning and needs to remain clean. Use the lint-free cloth provided with the machine for cleaning. It is recommended to clean every 2 weeks. Waste ink from usage and printhead cleaning will flow into the waste ink bottle. It is recommended to empty the waste ink weekly. White ink tends to settle, so there may be sediment at the bottom of the white ink bottle. After pouring out the white ink, you can see the settled ink. Add water and stir, then pour out the settled ink. It is recommended to do this every 30 days. The guide rails consume grease during use, and lack of lubrication can slow down the movement of printhead assembly. It is recommended to add lubricating oil every 30 days.